My SQL basic series. In this series, I will take to SQL step by step for the beginner to advanced. Today in episode 1, I explain the SQL and set up the environment. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to my SQL basic series. In this episode, we have learned SQL and what is SQL? Structured query language. It helps to store, manage and retrieve data from database. While on SQL is used in most every company and learning help with interviews and real world. How we to create a database? First, we have to create a database called any database you have to name, and just you have to create a like a ID, name, age, and city. Then you have to insert the data and view the data, and all for episode 1. Now you can set up your environment and try creating your own tables. In episode 2, we will start select query. Don't forget to subscribe. You don't miss it.